Today we're going to be demonstrating the first part of the QLn printer setup for use with Intermobile for Android application, the unboxing of the printer. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box itself, remove the documentation, just set that aside. We're going to take the battery out, take the belt clip out, and then we'll remove the printer itself. Once that's done, we can set the box aside. Take the plastic off the packaging. Remove the battery from its plastic case. Then what you're going to want to do is remove the protective cover from the battery itself. You're going to be also careful not to touch the brass contacts after it's been removed. Turn the printer over and then insert the battery and click into place. The optional belt clip can be placed in by removing that battery, sliding the wall into, and then clicking into place. Then return the battery and clip down. Now we'll then attach to a belt. The next section we want to show you is connecting the USB mini cable to the printer. This is going to be necessary for programming the printer. The connector again is a mini, and on the right hand side there's a flap, and if you lift up where the half moon is, you'll see that there's the port here. And you simply plug this end, lining up your pins, and then connect the standard USB into the computer that you want to program from. I'm going to remove that for now. Close the flap back down. The power adapter plugs in on the opposite side. And here you see again a half moon. If you pull from that side, that will then allow you to lift up that flap. And the power adapter just simply plugs in as so. The other end is a standard adapter with the standard line cord. You just plug those in. I'm going to next load the paper in. So on the right hand side, again, there's a lever which will open your latch. We'll take some sample 3x5 labels. When you load the labels in, you want to make sure that the label is towards the front and coming out from the bottom. You just spread the roll holder apart, set it in, and then you can close the lid. If you wish to have it auto peel, there's a lever here that you pull forward. That will pop up the guard. You raise the labels over top of it, close the lid down gently, and then pulling towards the front and pushing down at the same time. That will then lock that lever into place. If you do not have labels loaded, or if the printer lid is open, you will hear error messages. So I'm going to take these out for now and then show you what that will sound like and look like. Once we have the power plugged in, you'll see that the battery is charging with a light, yellow light. Now power on the unit. And if you close it, you'll still get an error that there's no media. So we'll open this back up, put the labels back in, and again pull towards the front and close down, and it will auto peel the first label for you. Once we configure the printer, it will peel and auto set for the correct length of the labels. Just to make sure, the labels are sold separately and packaged separately. The power adapter is also sold separately and packaged separately, as is the USB mini cable.